the whole trust in Hanuman ji and Hanuman Chalisa has done a lot good to me. But anyone can scare me anytime. It's not a big deal. So I think I've मतलब clearly तो मुझे नहीं ऐसा याद है. But then there was this dog नीचे वाला. He came up and I literally saw that door coming out and in and coming out and in, and then I don't know how could that dog come in, and the dog was in and he was barking like crazy, and he was on my floor barking like crazy to something, and मैं अपने रूम में भागी. फिटनेस कुछ ऐसे डरावनी चीज नहीं है, इसको अपनी जीवन शैली का एक पार्ट बना लो.
I remember last time also.
So you know that's how it has to be.
That's an amazing quote यार.
ये आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए, और once you get clear with this ना, आपकी आइडेंटिटी अंदर से चेंज हो जाती है. So you know your identity is कि I don't drink, खत्म हो गई बात. उसके बाद उसमें क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आता.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है सुशील सिंह और आप देख रहे हैं इक्वलेस. हमारे पास आज मीनल भारद्वाज पाठक आई हुई है. मीनल जी एक फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट हैं, ट्रेनर हैं, उसके अलावा एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है. जिंदगी कैसे जिएं, वो अगर आपको सीखना है तो आपको ये वाला एपिसोड जरूर देखना चाहिए.
That मतलब वो कोर्स स्टार्ट ही हुआ था कैट का, एंड आई थिंक नॉट इवन फ्यू डेज, एंड आई कुड ऑलवेज हियर सम ठक 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 फ्रॉम द सीलिंग, एंड आई विल गो अप एंड चेक कि क्या है सीलिंग में, क्या रात को खटखट क्यों होता है. बट देन सीलिंग वाज ऑल एम्प्टी, नोबडी देयर, नॉट इवन अ साइट. फिर
कोई डिसग्रंटल बॉयफ्रेंड रहा होगा बेचारा, वो
नहीं
डरा रहा होगा.
it was only a girls PG, and I was staying with a
Never
very
underestimate power of a disgruntled boyfriend.
and it was a very nice area. I think it was Model Town or something, and they only have these kothis, so you can't have trespassers jumping on the terraces and stuff, nothing like that. So I was literally scared then. And then what I started doing is I started putting up a jyot in my room and pray like that and then sleep, because मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि if I'll tell all this to my father, he'll take me back. No point. If I want to grow, let me just.
But let me ask you this right there about this psychology that I'm scared but I can't share. Why is that?
Because फिर पापा को लगता कि अच्छा अगर अकेला है और तुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा और तू डर रही है तो बेटा घर आ जा.
अच्छा,
And I will
अच्छा
like
लड़कियों का
अरे,
ये भी प्रॉब्लम
तो
है.
मुझे
हाँ.
ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं पापा, मुझे मतलब I'm wanna sit for the cat and I wanna study and I don't wanna go back home, and तो उस टाइप से मुझे ऐसा लगा. फिर मैंने वो करना शुरू कर दिया. एंड देन आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज दिस नाइट, आई थिंक आई मतलब क्लियरली तो मुझे नहीं ऐसा याद है, बट देन देयर वाज दिस डॉग नीचे वाला. ही केम अप and I literally saw that door coming out and in and coming out and in, and then I don't know how could that dog come in, and the dog was in and he was barking like crazy, and he was on my floor barking like crazy to something, and मैं अपने रूम में भागी, and then I saw that जोत मतलब भगवान जी की जो जोत थी वो इतनी जोर से ऐसे 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 ऐसे, और कोई हवा नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, एसी ऑन था, फड़कता हुआ, एंड आई कुड फील थिंग्स. एंड आई थिंक नेक्स्ट डे आई कॉल्ड माय फादर दैट पापा घर ही तैयारी कर लेंगे, लेट मी कम बैक.
अरे बाप रे.
एंड आई वेंट बैक.
I did this ghost hunting for 6 months, long time ago. So I went to Bhangad and all that jazz.
हाँ, because वहाँ पर
Never
सुनना
saw
था.
anything. But there was this
I still get those goosebumps just talking about my experience. I don't talk about my experience, but then I think after that, the whole trust in Hanuman ji and Hanuman Chalisa has done a lot good to me. But anyone can scare me anytime. It's not a big deal. So even in my home, my husband would like do one thing and he knows कि इसको डरा दो, and I don't know, I'm someone who can get scared out of anything and everyone. So अगर मेरे घर में मेरे in-laws नहीं होते हैं, so my husband knows कि अब तो इसको डराए.
So मैं बता रहा था कि मेरे साथ एक सीरियस एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है. गांव में हमारी हवेली है, हमारी अपनी हवेली है. तो उस हवेली के जो स्टोरीज हैं, तो देयर वाज स्टोरी ऑफ अ किड, लाइक किड क्या दादाजी लगेगा वो मेरा, मतलब लॉन्ग टाइम अगो. आई सॉ दैट किड एंड ही हवेली के ऐसे साइड्स हैं. मुझे कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ, मैंने कोशिश भी करी. आई हैव बीन वॉकिंग अलोन, कुछ नहीं हुआ. आई वाज लाइक नॉनसेंस. But that kid came and it's very scary because even if I'm telling you right now, it's still scary. सो ही केम, वो हवेली की साइड्स हैं ऐसे ऐसे
हम्म,
दो तरह की साइड्स बनी हुई हैं, तो उसमें वॉक कर सकते हो, इतनी जगह यहाँ से लेके इतनी या
हाँ
यहाँ
वो
से लेके इतनी
दोज
जगह है।
आर थिक वॉल्स।
हाँ हाँ, तो उसमें वॉक कर सकते हो। तो वहाँ से वो आया ऐसे ऐसे, और मैं वहाँ पे सो रहा था, तो रात को 2 बज रहे होंगे, तो ऐसे झरोका है, बड़ा सा झरोका है, तो वहाँ पे ऐसे खटिया बिछता है, तो खटिया बिछा उस पे सोया
हाँ,
हुआ था मैं। तो ही केम and I'm seeing him. My eyes are closed. I'm seeing him. He came. He sat on my chest with his legs, both the legs on my chest. He hold me by my collar and said, "I want to live inside." In Hindi, कि मुझे यहाँ रहना है.
and then gone,
No, then
you got up.
no, I was like कि यार ये तो I'm really scared. कि oh my God, you know. So I started doing Om Namah Shivaya and all
हाँ
that.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
और फिर मेरी आँख खुल गई और मुझे ऐसा लगा, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द फेस ऑफ दैट किड, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द फेस, आई रिमेंबर हिज हाइट, आई रिमेंबर हिज बॉडी, आई रिमेंबर दैट ही वाज वेयरिंग अ ग्रे कलर का कच्छा एंड
my
अ
God.
एंड अ क्रीम शर्ट. ठीक है, आई रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट, एंड दिस इज बिन, आई एम टेलिंग यू द स्टोरी ऑफ लाइक मे बी 15-17 years ago.
Oh, and
It was
then
scary.
it never happened again.
No.
And then you just chanted Om Namah
ओम
Shivaya and
नमः
all
शिवा, ओम
good.
नमः शिवा, एंड दैट ओम नमः शिवा जो होता है
Hmm.
वो पूरा नहीं निकलता, बिकॉज यू आर सो स्कैर्ड.
Om Namah Shivaya.
हाँ हाँ, इट्स लाइक यू सो स्कैर्ड. बट उसके बाद मुझे कभी नहीं फील हुआ, कभी भी नहीं फील, एहसास नहीं हुआ कभी इस तरह
So
से.
मेरे को ऐसी कोई फील नहीं है. I couldn't see anything और कुछ नहीं था. But I knew that there was some energy in that area. या उस घर में थी, या उस फ्लोर पे थी, और या उस टेरेस पे थी. There was some energy which was, you know, wanting me to leave or just disturbing my peace, because you know you go to such a place just that you have all the attention to your studies, and I wasn't able to do that. So that's the whole idea. And so I just, you know, I didn't wanted to fight or something. I just realized that this is not the place where my energies are settling right. So maybe I need to move like that. So
थैंक गॉड.
so वाला इतना अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, 1-to-1 एक्सपीरियंस
नहीं,
ना.
that was
This
because
is
I was
really
searching
scary.
for it, right? Myself, I was looking for it. So it was like, बेटा बहुत दिन
हो,
ढूंढ रहा
आ जाओ मैं दिलाता हूँ.
था. बहुत दिन ढूंढ रहा था,
That's
ये ले.
scary.
It is scary. It's
Okay,
damn
okay.
scary. अच्छा, मुझे वो उस पे बताइए कि जैसे hypothetically there is a ghost exactly like you,
Is?
exactly like you. मतलब आपकी second copy है. Will you be friends with her? भूत है,
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल
आप जैसी है.
I can't.
You can't be friends with.
नहीं.
क्यों?
I don't know. I'm pretty
She's your
real.
friend, you know. It's like, yeah, what's going on, and you're still like ignoring her because लोग पागल समझेंगे. But you know, जैसे अकेले हो वैसे, हाँ
No,
बता
no,
कैसी है.
I think I'm pretty simple person. I would just love to stay in the reality with the real people I can touch and feel, and that's it. And I think वैसे भी इतना time
What
नहीं है.
about the ideas wherein people are saying that, you know, we all are just manifestation of somebody's dream?
That I understand, and that I do believe, and I also believe that there are parallel universes running around, and that I think it's there. We know this, like, you know, there's so much being done, and so much being researched, and if you go and start reading all those 5Ds and 4Ds researches, there's so much to read and understand. And as someone who really believes in physics, yes, that's happening, but I would rather want to take it to a point of view of a science and not to a point of view of ghost and all these things. I don't believe in that energy, and I don't want to believe in that energy. And I would
Abdul.
not
Sorry.
I would not want to cut myself to that part.
That's awesome. अच्छा, एक जो ये 3D 5D की बात कर रहे हैं हम, एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्टॉइड बताता हूँ मैं आपको, शायद आपने ना सुना हो. ऋग्वेद 12 डिमेंशन की बात कर रहा है, आज से 5000 साल पहले. देयर आर 12 डिमेंशंस, and we have science recently started saying that yes, possibly there are 10 plus dimensions.
So I think Indian culture and tradition इससे बड़ा तो कुछ है ही नहीं. These people are anyways gonna come back to all that we have been saying, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है the kind of data and the kind of scriptures we have lost, that if that would have been here, तो पता नहीं हमारे ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड का कितना फायदा हुआ होता है. समथिंग लाइक नालंदा विश्वविद्यालय, मतलब a university which kept on burning for so long.
शारदा, नालंदा, विक्रमशिला,
कितनी बड़ी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटीज,
तक्षशिला
मतलब लोगों ने वो जला दी for those whatever invaders. But I'm saying कि it wasn't only something for India. Those were the real Harvards, and they would have literally pushed the development of the whole country to some another level. But yeah, something which is gone and gone. But yes, I think अभी भी people are taking it with a pinch of salt कि अच्छा ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, वो अपनी रिसर्च करके ही मानने वाले हैं. But yes, I am somebody who believes in all the Vedas, and yes, I do believe कि वो सब है. In fact, I am someone who believes कि राम भी हैं और कृष्ण भी हैं और they were real people like us.
You're not doing favor. They are there.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying. Because you have to, you sit with your kids nowadays, they have a different thing altogether. Because मेरे को तो लगता है कि somewhere they even read it like a mythology.
स्कूलिंग की प्रॉब्लम है. जिस स्कूल में हम उन्हें भेजते हैं,
Yeah,
मेरी बेटी पाथवेज में जाती है, उसको पाथवेज ने ईमेल डाली ऑन द डे ऑफ दिवाली, that a week before Diwali they sent an email saying on the day of Diwali she can also celebrate Hanukkah or this or that or Diwali. And my reply was that she will celebrate only Diwali. Please do not write such emails to us. We don't like it. The reply was noted.
So
just look at it, like they are literally brainwashing our kids.
हाँ, मतलब कि उनको समझ ही नहीं आता है. और मेरे ख्याल से we as a parents are also maybe not putting the kind of efforts that our parents have put in for bringing that trust in God. मतलब हम लोगों को तो ऐसा कभी डाउट था ही नहीं ना. और हम लोगों में, like I said, कि I could come out of all of this just because I had such an immense faith in Hanuman ji. It's always been there. And मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे साथ हैं और मेरी कार के ऊपर है और मेरे पीछे हैं और मेरे साथ खड़े हैं. Something like that is what my feel is always. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है हमारे बच्चों में वो फील ही नहीं है. they don't have something which they can trust like without fail. Imagine कितना strong support system है when you have such a strong belief in something and you know that वो इतनी एक positive energy है और हमेशा आपके साथ खड़ी है. ऐसी वाली वाइब बच्चों में हमारे पता नहीं कैसे आएगी. वो कब ऐसा वाला स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ अपने में लेकर आएंगे. दो आई हैव स्टार्टेड मेकिंग श्योर कि वो वैसे हमारे घर में सारे फास्ट होते हैं. सो इवन इफ इट इज नवरात्रे तो वो 8-9 दिन
मेक श्योर ऑफ दैट.
वी मेक श्योर कि हमारे बच्चे भी वो सारे फास्ट रखे. Like that's other thing that I don't want to cook 5 meals separate. But the idea is कि वो रखे, वो समझे कहीं ना कहीं इस बात को ले.
वेट लॉस भी है ना, कि फास्ट रखना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर वेट लॉस.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो डाइट पूरी खराब हो जाती है. मतलब आई डोंट टेक इट लिटरली एज अ डाइट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बिकॉज आई रियली ईट लॉट ऑफ कार्ब्स ड्यूरिंग दोस डेज बिकॉज आई एम नॉट समवन हु I'm not somebody who starves and keep myself starving for things. I'll have my 3 meals, 2 snacks, everything is like there. I don't skip all that stuff. So फिर मुझे उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस ही नहीं मिलता है कुछ खाने का. So then it
बट मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ आपसे कि कभी अपने बच्चों को ये ज़रूर बताइएगा आपके जो बजरंगबली हैं, ही इज़ हनुमान. एंड द गाय हु क्रिएटेड सुपरमैन, द डीसी वाला गाय, जो कॉमिक बुक क्रिएट करी थी डीसी वाले ने, हनुमान, सुपरमैन इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक हनुमान एंड ही एक्सेप्टेड इट. I read this Indian books and there was a man called as Hanuman and he was very powerful and he was he was brutally powerful. So that's why Superman is brutally powerful. कि पहाड़ उखाड़ देता है, नदियों के रास्ते मोड़ देता है सुपरमैन, सूर्य के पास चला जाता है.
That was his inspiration, huh?
Exactly. So people do not, they don't know it, that's why they don't respect it. Hanuman is actually हनुमान जी. और वहाँ से वो सुपरमैन आता है कि सुपरमैन है. और वो कहते हैं वो जो ब्रूटल पावर है, जैसे रामायण में कई जगह लिखा है कि बजरंगबली गदा कम ही यूज़ करते थे, उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा पावर थी, तो वो इस पेड़ उखाड़ दिया, पहाड़ उखाड़ दिए, नदियों के रास्ते मोड़ दिए, वो इस तरह के पावर थी उनके अंदर. तो इसीलिए सुपरमैन ऐसा है कि बांध टूट रहा है तो बांध नदी का डायरेक्शन मोड़ दिया, प्लेन गिर रहा है तो लेके नीचे आ गया. तो सुपरमैन की पावर्स ब्रूटल हैं बिल्कुल, की बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल है वो. आई मीन दे साइंटिफिक देने के लिए उन्होंने वो क्रिप्टॉन बना दिया और ये बना दिया कि वो एक ग्रह है जो टूट रहा था एंड ऑल दैट जैस. बट इन रियलिटी इट्स ऑल बजरंगबली.
वाओ, गुड टू नो.
हाँ. अच्छा, एक जो हमारे जो, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस आवर बुक्स, आप अजरबैजान गई थी, वहाँ के लोग नहीं मानेंगे आप कितना भी उनको बोलो. कि हम जो हैं, हमारी बुक्स जो हैं वो बहुत सुपीरियर हैं,
हाँ,
they'll
because
never accept it.
they have their own culture and they have their,
हाँ, they'll never
but
accept
बहुत
it.
बहुत सारे छाप थी वहाँ इंडिया के, बहुत
नहीं नहीं,
सारे उसके।
अर्मीनियंस हैं, वी आर, यू लुक लाइक एन अर्मीनियन, वी ऑल आर अर्मीनियंस मेनली। हमारे जो शुरुआत है वो अर्मीनियंस है, वी ऑल आर। अर्मीनिया और अजरबैजान एक दूसरे के पड़ोसी हैं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो हमारी जो शुरुआत, जो अभी रिसेंट रिसर्च आई है,
हाँ
तो जितने भी हैं जो हम मिक्स्ड हो गए हैं, बात अलग है, बट बेसिकली वी केम फ्रॉम अर्मीनिया।
अच्छा, and this whole study on that we are Aryans and all that.
द आर्यन थियरी इज बिन डिबंक्ड वेरी बैडली, क्योंकि आर्यन थियरी इज, अभी एक सिनौली नाम की जगह है उत्तर प्रदेश में, तो वहाँ पे खुदाई हुई, तो वहाँ पे रथ मिले इनको, ठीक है, घोड़े से चलने वाले रथ जो लगभग 5000 साल पुराने हैं। आर्यन थियरी कहती है कि 2000 साल पहले आर्य आए थे, तो 5000 साल पहले आर्य रथ कहाँ से आ गए? तो सिनौली ने प्रूव किया है कि इट्स अ नॉनसेंस थियरी pushed by the left people because they wanted to alienate the lower caste people from upper caste people.
Saying that we are Aryans and all
exactly.
that. Oh, so we actually traveled all the way from. So that's why there was a place, Fire Mountain there, and it was written that Guru Nanak Dev Ji has come to that place to pay his homages to the ancestors.
सन गॉड, या सन गॉड की पूजा है, अग्निदेव की पूजा होती है वहाँ पे, इसलिए
he went all the way to do it there. मतलब ऐसा कुछ
इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड लॉन्ग टाइम अगो, लॉन्ग टाइम अगो, पहले कर गुरु नानक जी गए थे वहाँ पे दर्शन के लिए।
So हम जब वहाँ पहुंचे आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंब एंड ट्रैवल, एंड लाइक दिस जी तो हमारी ज्वाला जी हैं।
इसके लिए इतना इंडिया में ही कर लेती मैं।
yes, yes.
पर आपको नहीं लगता कि धीरे धीरे जो हमारे, जैसे आपने खुद ही बताया, आवर किड्स आर लूजिंग दैट फेथ, not understanding that what power it has, hypothetically, even if it's myth, but Bajrang Bali still gives me a lot of power. He still shows me the right path. Isn't that good enough for a person?
So I think there is one thing which we cannot take away from the Indians is their spiritual belief, and that's the real power which they have, and that's how they stand a step ahead from everybody else, and that's what shines out of them. So I don't know why our kids don't want to take that with them, because I want to tell them ki, that superpower is this only. That firm belief and faith is something which will make you shine out of everything else, because aap kahin par bhi chale jao, this thing will stay intact, and this thing which will will keep you going, because people lose hope and all that. India में हमने ऐसे वाले केसेस सुने ही नहीं थे ना, suicides and all that. It just started coming up so recently because लोग इतने dejected होते ही नहीं थे लाइफ में. They must say people have this phenomena of enjoying their lives with that simple basic needs being fulfilled, having the most contented happy present moment concept. ये सब आजकल kids में नहीं है. So I know this is running out, but then I think a lot of people are also realizing it, like you, me, we are making this kind of an effort to make sure कि हमारे बच्चों में ये travel करें. And I know there are a lot of parents like us who are feeling that there's something slipping by, and then that is needed. And I was recently sharing, my daughter is 14, so I was sharing this research with her that IQ is not something which takes you far. IQ is a foundation which everybody almost has, and in that research it was shown that every person who's come to that level has almost the same IQs, because that is something which is judged, and that's how they get you there. But after that point, how you go far from there is your EQ and your spiritual quotient. Now you have to work on that, because जिंदगी में जीतना तो हर आजकल पेरेंट्स ये बहुत सिखा रहे हैं ना बच्चों को, सीखना, जीतो जीतो जीतना जीतना. अरे जिंदगी में जीतना तो आ ही जाता है, जीतने के लिए क्या सिखाना, वो तो सीख ही जाओगे. जिंदगी में बच्चों को हारना सिखाना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज आई थिंक वंस दे लूज एंड यू विल नॉट बी विद देम. वो जिंदगी में जब हारेंगे ना असली में, वो आप तब होगे भी नहीं उनके पास, और पता नहीं शायद वो आपसे वो मोमेंट शेयर भी ना कर रहे हो कि पापा मैं हार रही हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, तब वो कैसे खड़े होंगे ना. That's the true training you can give to your kids. And I think at that time, then that's the real test of us as a parents, when they realize that they have failed in their life and they've lost whatever they've created, and now they will have to restart from scratch. that is the moment when you know your spiritual practices, your faith and your belief system and your value system comes into the play. So let's get our kids ready for that moment, because uh, and I tell this because I am someone who's lot into physical activities, so I make sure that my kids go and do a lot of physical activities and basically team activities, something like football or something, because हारो उसमें मतलब game is one such
चलो
thing.
जीतना जान, मम्मी ने बोला हारना है मुझे। अरे गोल वार मिस में मार साले, मुझे हारना है, मम्मी ने बोला। पर हम तो जीत नहीं, सब और साइड हो जाओ।
लाइफ में इतना हारो कि आपको हारने से डर नहीं लगे, दैट यू जस्ट विन ओवर दैट पॉइंट एंड देन यू सी कि तब आप कैसी मेहनत करते हो, बिकॉज आपके अंदर से वो हारने का डर निकल गया ना. सो don't become that chaser of things and chaser of a success. You become a magnet for everything. Like I'm not saying कि कर्म प्रधान मत हो, obviously कर्म प्रधान हो, but वो अपना एक्शन करने के बाद वो एक बैठ के जो एक फील आती है ना कि हमने तो अपना एक्शन कर दिया, अब उसके बाद हम और एक्शन की तैयारी में हैं और कुछ नहीं है और so that
But
kind
that's
of a spirit.
precisely the Bhagavad Gita, right? कि कर्म करिए और फल की इच्छा मत
ये this
करिए।
is not happening with the today's generation. Our generation is like a real chaser and chasing for things, and I keep telling this to Arjun and कि that you chasing, and आप किसी भी चीज को जब chase करते हो तो क्या होता है, वो चीज भी आगे भागती है क्योंकि you're chasing. Why can't you just sit and relax and do your efforts? Things are coming your way.
हाँ बिल्कुल आ रहा है। It's like, thank God you're not mother of a lion, otherwise तो हिरण के पीछे मत भाग, बैठा रहे, हिरण खुद तेरे पास आएगा, बैठा रहे। शेर इज लाइक, मम्मा 6 दिन हो गए कुछ खाया नहीं मैंने।
But I know maybe too much, but I think that the most important thing is teaching your kids those EQs and SQs, because then
True, I
they're
agree.
truly preparing them for life. Everything
But don't you
else.
think that these days kids have been pampered a little too much? Well, that's one. Two is that consoled a little too much. It's like, हरकत तेरी लूजर वाली है तो मैं तेरे को बोलूंगा, लूजर पना करा तूने, बात खत्म। नो यू आर अ विनर इन अ डिफरेंट वे। नो, यू आर अ ब्लडी लूजर। अभी तो तू है, जीत के दिखा, मैं बोलूंगा तो यू आर अ विनर। Don't you think that people should be disturbed in the right amount so they can learn from it? Do you agree with that, or you're like
Exactly. So there's this scare na कि parents don't want their kids to feel that dejected moment, because they are scared कि ये अंदर से feel करेगा कि ये हार गया, he lost his match. क्यों आप क्यों अपने बच्चे को ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करने देना चाह रहे? रेदर आई एम सेइंग कि ये करवाओ अपने बच्चे को एक्सपीरियंस, मेक हिम somebody like an iron from
you're a
inside,
grumpy mother?
कि लोहा बने वो अंदर से कि हाँ लाइफ में तो ये अप एंड डाउन्स आएंगे ही, इट्स
हाँ,
नॉट गोना बी अ फेरी टेल. सो लेट्स जस्ट प्रिपेयर देम फॉर दैट. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहने से बहुत कम होता है, दे एक्चुअली लर्न फ्रॉम व्हाट दे आर एक्चुअली सीइंग. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी जो फैमिली, इट्स लाइक अ बिग जॉइंट फैमिली, सो इट्स माय in-laws and my second set of in-laws also with me, so my kids have a very different scene, so nobody minces words to tell them things, right? And they are someone जो अपने खाना खाने के बाद अपनी प्लेट्स भी उठा के लेकर जाते हैं, उसको वॉश भी करते हैं, लगाते भी हैं. आप उनकी प्लेट्स में कभी भी जूठन नहीं देखेंगे आप. there's somebody who are not allowed to leave even a single bite of rice, though it started by saying कि अरे वो रो रहा है कि उसको प्लेट में छोड़ दिया है, but now it's so ingrained in them कि प्लेट में खाना नहीं छोड़ना है. So the value of food, the value of nobody is cleaning up your utensils, you have to wash, so all that is coming to them since forever, and I will not take credit of that. It's my mother and my pardada dadi sab, everybody has been putting in that effort, and I think this goes a long way in making them independent and and making them understand कि उनके effort की value, and शायद वो जो दूसरे मेड है जो ये काम कर रही है उसकी भी रिस्पेक्ट, बिकॉज दे डू हाफ ऑफ थिंग्स देमसेल्व्स, उनके लिए नहीं कोई कर रहा है. सो दे माइट बी गर्ल्स डूइंग इट फॉर माई इन लॉज, बट दे नो कि उनका अभी वो लेवल नहीं है, तो वो एक रिस्पेक्ट आती है दूसरों के लिए, अपने काम के लिए. दे फील इतने छोटे से दे स्टार्टेड फीलिंग प्राइड इन कि ये तो आई डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई नो हाउ टू डू इट, एंड दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट एनफ टू make their own eggs and breads and
तो आपसे एक सवाल है मेरा, आपने कभी इतने सारे बर्तन धुले हैं कि धुले हैं कभी
हाँ
आपने?
हाँ, कोविड में।
अच्छा, इतने सारे बर्तन। बट डोंट यू थिंक, जैसे मैंने धुले हैं, बहुत बार धुले हैं,
हाँ हाँ
तो वो स्पिरिचुअल हो जाता है, बिकॉज बिकॉज यू आर वॉशिंग देम, एंड आई हैड दिस थॉट कि बिल्कुल मस्त क्लीन होने चाहिए। तो
हाँ
व्हेन यू डू दैट एंटायर प्रोसेस फॉर हाफ एन आवर, 45 मिनट्स, वो अगर इतने मन से आप करते हो कि वो आपकी साधना बन जाती है 45 मिनट की, बहुत मजा आता है उसमें,
so
स्पिरिचुअल हो जाता है।
so I was I was saying the same thing in one of my corporate meet yesterday that मतलब बर्तन धोने का नहीं था, because I am somebody who do the workshops for workouts. So I was saying that when you actually do a workout, proper workout, why it becomes a addiction for people? Because जब आप workout करते हैं, then you are creating that mind muscle connection, चाहे cardio training हो, चाहे HIIT हो, मतलब I'm not defining any workout, it could be running. लेकिन when you are doing something like this, so what exactly happens is, for with some gaps, for long moments, there is nobody who's exercising as a person, there is nobody who's actually teaching as a person, only the process remains. That's why it cleans up your head like anything. That's why workouts help you so much. What happens when you do workouts? And I was trying to tell people that you don't really need to sit down like this to meditate. You actually need to do whatever you are doing 100% to meditate. That kind of experience nothing else can give, because the moment you
वो
tell
पोछा
your
मारने में भी आ सकता है, अगर आप
exactly,
प्यार से पोछा मार रहे हो तो आपको बहुत
you
मजा आएगा।
cleaning the space
हाँ
so
हाँ
well, then that the whole process becomes meditative, because you've done it with that kind of conscience. So it's actually not about telling your rebel mind to shy. You tell this monkey mind ki ab hum kuch nahi sochenge, to kehega acha, let me tell you this, it will be flooded with like thousand of thoughts. It's rather easier this way, that you do something with so much love and compassion and kindness. And anyways, cleaning is definitely like that. The process of cleaning itself is हमारे में तो बोला जाता है कि अगर आपका कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है और बहुत माइंड क्लटर्ड हो रहा है, तो जाके अपनी अलमीरा के क्लोथ्स को अलाइन कराओ, वो वहां से आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. सो इट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आउटसाइड एंड इट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इनसाइड. So it's so reflective of your work. It's so reflected in everything that you do.
So we took our team to clean a temple in Dasna. तो बहुत सारे यंग बच्चे हैं, कम से कम 20 बच्चे गए थे. तो all of them have never experienced something like this in their life. They were so happy.
Wow.
And they were just cleaning, झाड़ू मार रहे हैं, पोछा मार रहे हैं, मूर्तियों के पीछे से सफाई कर रहे हैं. They're just cleaning the entire temple.
Wow.
And it's कितना 10,000 स्क्वायर फीट में हो गए वो कम से कम. So 10,000 स्क्वायर फीट. They cleaned everything. फिनाइल डाल के लड़कियों ने पोछे मारे, जबकि अपने घर में कुछ नहीं करती ऐसा. उन्होंने पोछा मारा और वो बहुत खुश थी कि वाह मजा आया.
और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ.
So yeah, that's the effort which is done with your own hands, and that you actually it's almost like you're cleaning things out, you're cleaning things in.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
that's how connected it is.
So you were, a moment ago we were discussing about the average Indian guy is way ahead of the foreigners in comparison to the spiritualism. So there is this French traveler who came to India in 1200 or something, and he wrote in his books that Indians are so spiritual कि एक किसान के पास बैठोगे वो हमसे ज्यादा नॉलेज लेके बैठा हुआ है.
That's why they killed our education system.
हाँ, वो किसान के पास बैठा हुआ, वो आत्मा परमात्मा मोक्ष सबको
सब
ज्ञान
पता
दे
है
देगा,
उसको.
उसको क्लियर है फंडा.
You cannot make him angry. You cannot you cannot literally poke him to do things for you.
Absolutely.
And then they realize this कि इनका education system इतना strong है, that Gurukul system and learnings, they literally knew that they have to change this whole philosophy if they have to break our backbone, and they did it. They did change the entire teaching system, and then nowhere, I'm saying that nowhere till now I have even seen one book which talks about the greatness of India as such and our spirit.
No, Max Muller wrote a couple of, in German writer, he wrote a lot of books about praising India.
Wow.
So he wrote a lot of books. Max Muller wrote a lot of books in praising India. A couple of writers were there who wrote, who praised India. Like Carl Sagan was a theoretical physicist who sent, what is the name of that thing here, which is traveling past Pluto? Two of them were sent by NASA. So it has Om as well written on top of it, because they Carl Sagan was the guy who was behind the idea, and he said that we want Om to go there because you never know, क्या पता ये ना समझ में आए aliens को, क्या पता Om देखे बोले हाँ यही है, Om ही है. So
Okay.
there are
Wow,
people,
great,
and also if you go to the CERN Hadron Colliders in Geneva, you will find Nataraj ki murti.
That I've heard.
Yeah,
So
Nataraj
they
ki murti.
they have
hai
kept it
bilkul.
there for the energies.
Don't you think Bhagwan Shiva is he's genuinely a god?
I that's what I'm saying. I truly believe in every spiritual thing. You would see me doing lot of all that, Shiv Abhishek and everything I'll be doing. And
But I'm just giving you sheer by the personality of the guy who's saying आधा मैं पुरुष हूँ आधा मैं नारी हूँ. इससे बड़ा men women equality का कोई बता नहीं सकता, because he's simply saying भैया मैं तो आधा आधा हूँ.
and all these people are now giving you this concept.
Woke.
You are feminine and you are masculine. You are yin and yang.
Uh-huh.
And look at our culture. We know this and we know
And
this like eons before.
they call Bhagwan Shiva as he's the god of Satans. Yes, he is the god of Satans, but he's also god of Devtas and humans. He's god of everything.
He's
Okay,
somebody
that's how
who's
he is.
balanced it all. So yeah, so like obviously there is an identification of some energies which are not great energies, and then you also need somebody to handle that, and he has that kind of a power to keep them under his control.
But look at him, like he says ki I'm a tribal guy, and I have sex all the time. I smoke marijuana. I drink. Like this guy is not even saying don't do anything. He's like chill मारो, पर मेरी तरह औकात हो तभी chill मारना.
And
Right.
I can sit like this ages.
70
in yoga.
70,000 साल तो ऐसे ही निकल जाते हैं मैं तपस्या करते हुए. Like पार्वती 1 when she died, तो 70,000 years तक बैठे रहे तपस्या में. तब पार्वती 2 बड़ी हुई.
That's how it is.
Yeah, so भगवान शिव तो ऐसे ही है कि मतलब वो. So that's what I'm trying to tell you कि I was talking to this guy that I was like, I took him to Elephanta caves, and Shiva is there. So I was telling him that he's the god, and I told him that he smokes marijuana, he drinks and he has sex, and he's so powerful that nothing can stand against him. But he's still so humble that he'll touch your feet and say whatever you want, I'll do it for you. So the black guy says that the reaction after hearing all this for 3-4 minutes, his reaction is, he's one bad. You know what I'm saying? Like in US, when the criminals talk to each other, so if it is you are a bad, that means you are a dangerous man who is very humble, but nobody is there to mess with you. Right? So they're
That's the
praising
guy.
you. Yeah, they're praising you indirectly. So I was like, he understood. Otherwise, in US, I never talk about Shiva. Because I know these idiots will not understand. They'll start making fun of him, or they'll say something which will make me slap them. Then the police will come. I'll be behind the bars because my skin color is brown.
So let's not get into that.
Yeah. Acha, abhi tak, did you get any Gora client? Gora or Kala, like a different country client?
Yeah, so we had a few girls who were working here with, I think, one of the Chinese company, I think.
Mile bhi to Chini.
So there were 6-7 of them as a group who did Zumba with me for almost 6 months. They were here for some training part.
How were they, by the way? Like Chinese people? Professional?
Very funny.
Acha, funny bhi.
Very funny, and there were 2 guys and there were 5 girls. And I remembered there's this one guy who slipped. My studio's in the basement, so from the top till the end he slipped by, and then he walked in, and I was like, oh my god, are you okay, and all that. He's like, yeah, it happens, and then he did the entire Zumba. So yeah, so yes, I have had those few experiences, and in fact I did a session of Zumba for Modi ji's I think Indian Oil Corporation. There was some program of Mr. Modi, and there I was called to do Zumba, and I was told that there will be a lot of delegations which will be from out of the country. So keep your tempo a little slow so that everyone can catch up with. So I can't say that those were my so I can't say that they were my clients, but then yes, I think by the end of it, almost 20-25 women were with me on the stage, and we were having a great time. Yeah. So
Did you get a chance to see Mr. Prime Minister?
No,
अच्छा
he was just there for inauguration, so I was there for the second half of the part.
वो अपने घमंड में थे, मैं अपने में थी ना, वो मुझसे मिले ना मैं उनसे मिली.
I was just happy to be, pictured in that one circular which IOC published after that this happened. This was the front where he inaugurated, and there was also the pictures of Zumba session which happened.
How important it is, like, for a there are two aspects to it. One is the business aspect. It is that it's very important for me to be there on these front pages and all. The second important thing is, which is spiritual importance, right? So for you, is it important spiritually कि नहीं होगा तो भी चलेगा, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, या फिर नहीं मुझे तो चाहिए?
Actually, I think that that nahi hoga and I am okay is kind of a thing which, according to my husband, that I don't put in like 100% in my fields, because I always say that okay, this is what I want to do today and this is what I'll be doing till so and so. So even if there are like so many opportunities, but I'll pick up only till the way I think I can comfortably do with my kids as of now. And so I left my banking job thinking this only, that I don't want to I don't want to be one of those who suddenly end up becoming 50 and realize यार 50 की हो गई यार, सारी लाइफ निकल गई जॉब करते करते. आई डोंट वांट टू बी वन ऑफ दैट पर्सन. सो
तो आपने डिसाइड किया मैं 25 की ही बनी रहूंगी. 50 तो जाना ही नहीं मेरे को. शक्ल मेरी 25 की ही दिखेगी तुम सबको. सालों यही दिखेगी तुम्हें.
So one of the reason, because people don't let go of, and it wasn't like that this business couldn't have run. I'm like, I could have just started it and handed it over to a lot of people to just run it through. But I don't want to do a life which is too much, like I just said, I don't want to chase things like that. So I don't take up things like too much in my hand. So the moment I realized like this month has gone by too fast, and I've realized that there was too much for me this month. So you see me then next month I've made all the changes I needed, and now I'm not concerned that this is giving me less of this and less of this. That really is not my concern. So yes, I think I'm spiritual in that aspect, that I don't keep money part on the high pedestal, but I also believe that I'm, I do a lot of affirmations, and I somewhere do all these affirmations where I say that, I'm someone who's actually giving out with both my hands openly. So, I'm always accepting as.
Aye, please. She's throwing money out. Make sure that we are around her.
So I also believe in receiving. So it's nothing like that. I don't want to believe in receiving like that.
I couldn't hear you.
So that, I don't know. I think it's just the touch of the universal's energy that that abundance keeps flowing, even though I'm not chasing abundance like that. But yeah, I am not somebody who's chasing after all these things. I'm someone who's literally spiritual at heart, and so much spiritual at heart that for picking up few things, if I have to pick up two things, that this is your life where you are with family, kids, and your spiritual aspect maintained, and then there is this life where you have so much of another thing and you have to let go of these things. I think I'll always stay on my path because I've seen too much of it, and I know that is not giving me happiness. So I think I was very clear. I think I was born with this clarity in life, and
you're lucky if you have this kind of clarity.
So I think maybe because of my father or because of my mother, I was born with this clarity in life that I'm not going and doing things for my happiness. I knew that I'm happy as a soul and I'm happy as a person. Now I have to do things being happy, and that's how I pursued a lot of other things. And then I realized that everything I do becomes so beautiful just because I'm doing it with a happy heart, and I'll not do things which I'm not enjoying. I'll actually not do things. No, it doesn't really matter that how much of it is gonna come to me. And a lot of my corporates know this because I have big proposals which I said that I'm not doing it right now. I'll see when I want to do it. But yeah, I take.
What about the people who might see this conversation and they are, because they don't know your struggling phases. वो नहीं देखा लोगों ने. लोग ये देख रहे हैं and they want to be you. पता चला पहले ही जॉब छोड़ दी.
So yeah, I in fact I was last time I was in Pune that someone asked me this question that, ma'am, I also want to leave my job and start something like that. I told him this, that you are in your early 20s, and just because you are also in a MNC bank and I was in a MNC bank doesn't make you, don't feel that I left it, so you can also just go ahead and chuck it and start something else on your own. And I gave him the full description that when I chucked it, I already had a huge client list, and I made sure that my money is not going anywhere. And there was a phase which was happening, and it's funny to say, but yeah, there was a phase which was happening in RBS. There were
But you would have been a little scared initially to leave that job and and to get into this, because whenever you are in that mindset कि अब कुछ करना है, fear का एक section तो होता है दिमाग में.
So this is actually very magical, and I would this part I would want people to actually practice. See, when I used to travel to Gurgaon from Noida, and it used to be a ride of like 1.5 hour. So I used to
Both the sides.
both the sides. So I used to affirm this, and then I had literally no clue that how it will be delivered to me. How will I receive this? Because I was someone who had always done finance in her life, always number crunching, just the corporates and writing proposals. And I was somebody who was a foodie. So, fitness and all that part was nowhere near. But I used to affirm this, how wonderful it will be if I can just work from the home and I don't have to step out of my home. But the abundance stays the way it is. And, I keep getting all these multiple sources of income continuously, and nothing like that stops. But I do it from the comfort of my home, and I don't have to travel, and something which keeps, because by that, you 2 kids back to back, obviously your body takes the toll, and I
It
get
doesn't
into the
look like,
shape.
but go ahead.
So this is but this was my affirmation, and I firmly believed in it because I believed in spirituality from very starting, like I said. And it was delivered to me. I really don't know how those dots joined and how those puzzle pieces must have come together, but it happened. And I also don't know how it happened, but it was delivered to me because I asked this from the universe. And I literally have my entire empire running from my basement, and I don't step out to do my stuff. So,
Touch wood.
so that's what I'm saying, that have use this, because मतलब if
अरे भाई, पर 1 मिनट रुक जाओ ना यहीं पे. 1.5 घंटा में रोज जाती आती थी भाई, उसके बाद सोचती थी. तो बंदा घर ही बैठा है.
you have to be Karam Pradhan.
That's what I'm saying. A lot of people will like, चल यार सोचना शुरू करते हैं, छोड़.
Like, I think Karam Pradhan is
that universal demand ना, वो पेन से आता है. It doesn't come कि आप हरामखोरी करो तब नहीं आता वो.
हाँ, so
There has to be some pain in it कि बहुत दुख है इसलिए मुझे ऐसी चाहिए मुझे.
और efforts I think
Efforts
कभी बंद हुए नहीं.
हाँ,
Maybe I think we guys as a generation were never shying away from hard work.
Absolutely.
We get up and we want things to do. That's how we want our days to be. We don't get up with an idea कि आज ये movie देखेंगे. We don't do that. Yeah. So I think as a generation we were fed that you get up and then you do work. You do real work. And that is something which gives you satisfaction and pride in yourself. And that productivity makes you complete. So a lot of times I have to teach this to my kids that, those days where you're not putting in an effort of doing something, you might not feel very happy because you've not done something. So unless you're not achieving things through your own hard work, the whole concept of the happiness and feeling good about yourself will be elusive. It's not coming to you naturally. It will come from, that effort which has to come. So,
the efforts would when you put in your real hard work, your brain releases a supply of dopamine and serotonin, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. All of those.
So
endorphins and all those.
the moment they release it, you feel happy. That's why after exercising,
You feel
you're
so
very
good.
happy. जैसे कई बार मैं एक्सरसाइज करके घर पहुंचूंगा तो there is this guy who takes care of me. His name is Shiv. So I'll touch his cheek. कैसा है तू? So I'm not interested in him. I'm just very happy right now.
You are happy.
I'm happy. कैसा है? तू ठीक है ना? It's like because you worked for 2 hours and now you're like super tired, but you're happy. So that's
And आजकल की generation is like sitting for an hour. I'm getting bored. What should I do? And all that. I think we never had that
नहीं,
phenomena
वो
of
शॉर्ट्स ने उन्हें कर दिया ऐसा, रील्स एंड शॉर्ट्स ने ना उन्हें ये कर दिया कि सोचने की क्षमता रोक दी है सबकी, कि वो कुछ चेंज हो जाना चाहिए, मतलब
कहीं
there are
से
lot of-
मतलब बैठे बैठे कुछ हाई
हाँ,
चाहिए
कि
life
इसीलिए
में।
मूवीज खत्म हो गई हैं। मूवीज के लिए 2 घंटे का पेशेंस चाहिए, यू नो, मूवी जब आप देखते हो 2 घंटे का पेशेंस चाहिए। न्यू किड्स विल नॉट वॉच मूवीज क्योंकि वो बहुत टाइम मांग रही है। सो ईदर द मूवी गाइज विल रिड्यूस द टाइम और द मूवीज विल बी ऑब्सोलीट। आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ।
Maybe that has to happen.
अब तो पेशेंस हमारे अंदर भी नहीं है, हम फिल्म देखते हैं एक बार फोन उठा ही लेते हैं और फिर होता है अरे शिट किसका मर्डर हो गया, रुक जा पीछे कर।
हाँ, we just want to know अच्छा स्टोरी में हुआ क्या था। Yeah,
वो आ
exactly.
गया, पेशेंस खत्म हो रहा है।
But I don't know. I think that's where the real effort has to come. But I've kept my kids away from the social media, though I am on Insta. But my kids are not there on the social medias, and I get this question from a lot of mothers. How is she not, and how is he not, and what you've done to do it? Megan, no, I'm not forcing them to not do it.
It's just
They
I have a gun.
No, it's just that they see me what I'm doing, and they themselves are not there because they don't want to do it.
How are these mothers? How, like, for example, I go to drop my daughter to her school. There are some of the mothers जो वहाँ पे walk करती हैं, उनकी जिंदगी स्कूल के आसपास गुजरती है।
Because the little kids are there and they have to pick and drop their kids. So
हाँ,
my heart goes out to those.
हाँ, नहीं वो नहीं, जैसे अभी 2 साल का बच्चा है आपका, सॉरी 2 साल का समझ में आता, अब आपका बच्चा 8 साल का हो गया है, वो 2nd क्लास में, 1st क्लास में।
Then also you have
बट
to
दीज लेडीज दे स्टे देयर, दे आर अवेयर किस टीचर का क्या चल रहा है, एंड यू नो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से। आपके यहाँ पे ऐसे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं जो लाइक जिनको आपको बोलना पड़ता है ये जिम है, यहाँ पे बहस नहीं करनी, यहाँ बकवास नहीं करनी, एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ती है। बिना नाम लिए आप बता सकती हैं। बहन जिम है, ये क्या है, ये क्या दिखता है तेरे को, क्या दिख रहा है, सेटअप से क्या
I
दिख रहा है?
think I'm touch wood. I'm blessed with the. I
यार
always say this.
stop it यार, मतलब you were saying
आपने मेरे
जो
video-
सवाल पूछो ये बंदी बोलती मैं blessed हूँ इसमें।
नहीं, आपने मेरे वीडियोस देखे हैं। I'll show
नहीं
you my
नहीं, you're very
videos.
happy in your videos. Yeah,
You know, the group I work out with, or I don't even call them clients because they are actually not clients. They are people who are just my mental level and they are working out with me. And the person who enters new, na, either he becomes that or he is not able to sustain in that group, because then you know we are like really power puff girls who lifting 12.5 and doing all those squats and lunges and all that stuff, and then जब हम कार्डियो कर रहे हैं तो भी धांसू कार्डियो कर रहे हैं, बट उस जगह पे मैं उनको सिखा रही हूँ या वो सीख रहे हैं, वो वाला कनेक्शन है ही नहीं। उस जगह में we all just reaching at one time and we are just working out. That's the feel of my studio. So you know, I never had that concept कि मैं तुम लोगों को सिखाऊंगी और तुम मुझसे सीखो, ऐसा था ही नहीं। And you know, I think that's something which is keeping me young, because they all are like, the 3 of them have just passed from the 12th. They are waiting and they are, you know, preparing them for their entrances. So their vibe and my vibe is absolutely same on that floor. So I forget that I'm 42. So I'm just saying कि it's, you know, it's something you don't, these energies na, they are actually real thing. The only real thing is the energy. Everything else is just gas.
बट ये नहीं लगता आपको कि कई बार हम समझ जाते हैं कि नहीं मैच हो रही है हमारी वाइब्स, यार छोड़ो, हमें इस फीलिंग आ जाती है बाय व्हेन वी मीट पीपल। कई बार नहीं होता कि 2 मिनट में लगा भाई नहीं बर्दाश्त हो पाएगा ये,
हाँ, तो जाने
और
दो।
हाँ,
हाँ,
और
so I do that lots.
हाँ, और 1 मिनट में लगा नहीं ये तो सही बंदा है, या ये सही बंदी है,
So
बन
that
जाएगी इससे।
I think that reading of energies comes with lot of practice, but yeah, once you get that hang, then you know किससे बात करनी है, किससे बात नहीं करनी, and you अभी जितना मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, you'll find a lot of places that where I just sit silent
नहीं नहीं,
and I don't talk.
नहीं, इसमें तो मेरी महानता है। I'm that great guy.
But yeah, I understand that part, and yeah, it happens a lot. There are a lot
हाँ,
of
नहीं,
places
मेरे
where your
साथ भी होता
energies
है।
don't
हाँ, हाँ।
match up, and then I decide, yeah, I'm good. And
हाँ,
I'm
नहीं कई
good
बार क्या
with
होता है, नहीं मैच होती तो you know you just either keep quiet because you're professional, or you just say कि चलो जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, I'm getting out, thank you.
So I don't do those deals where I don't get the feel that I'm going and adding my personal touch to it. So everything I do has to have my personal touch, and I have to have the freedom
Complete dictatorship. कोई डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है बे।
it has to be my way, because then, you know, I don't do things because like I said, I'm not doing it like a very professional thing, because that was not my idea. If it had to be professional, then I was pretty happy with my banking career anyways. So that's why my studio will not give you vibe of a high level of some professionalism. There are so many times that people are doing classes without me, and they, when I tell them that, oh, I'm traveling, so I'll get an instructor, they're like, no, we don't need an instructor, we run the class the way we do it. So it's that kind of a freedom people get in my studios. And it's exactly the same way in my corporate sessions. People really get that feel of being themselves, enjoying themselves. That's exactly what I tell people to do it. That even through fitness I try to explain it to them that fitness कुछ ऐसे डरावनी चीज नहीं है, इसको अपनी जीवन शैली का एक पार्ट बना लो,
I
and
remember
that's it.
last time also you said this.
So that's how it has to be.
That's an
बस
amazing quote यार,
ये
बहुत
आपको
बढ़िया.
क्लियर होना चाहिए, और once you get clear with this ना, आपकी आइडेंटिटी अंदर से चेंज हो जाती है. So your identity is कि आई डोंट ड्रिंक, खत्म हो गई बात. उसके बाद उसमें क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आता. वो जब तक आप इस चीज
जिम
को,
जाने की प्लानिंग करने में कुछ लोग जिम नहीं जाते
हाँ,
कि
So
मेरे को
if-
तो यही वाला पजामा चाहिए, मेरे को तो ऐसे ही शूज चाहिए, मेरे को तो ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, उससे कौन जिम नहीं जाते वो.
हाँ, और फिर आई थिंक वो चीज फिर आपको हमेशा अटकती रहती है. और आई एम समबडी हु इज लाइक एट सम लोकेशन फॉर अ टॉक एंड रियलाइजिंग कि अरे सुबह से कुछ किया नहीं है, तो अच्छा अभी टाइम है, तो आई रिमूव माई हील्स और सामने वाले पार्क में फटाफट 30 मिनट्स में अपने 5 किलोमीटर कंप्लीट कर लूंगी. दैट्स इट. आई नॉट नीड इवन माई शूज. आई कंप्लीट इट बेयर फुट. वेल एनीवेज आई एम समबडी हु इज अ बेयर फुट रनर. आई लव कनेक्टिंग लाइक दैट विद द अर्थ. सो आई डोंट नो, वो हमें शायद वो चीज़ों की कभी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती कुछ करने के लिए, और हमें इतना सोचना भी नहीं पड़ता कुछ चीज़ों को करने के लिए. हम बस कर देते हैं, हो जाता है.
ईमान है आप.
मतलब ऐसे ऐसे ही है. आई थिंक आवर जनरेशन इज लाइक दैट. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अस, यू एंड मी, बट हमारी सारी जनरेशन ऐसे नहीं है. पीपल हु आर डूइंग थिंग्स, पीपल हु बिलीव इन द एक्ट ऑफ डूइंग एंड डूअर्स, एंड वी आर नॉट.
We are grumpy as well. We are not somebody who would be like, हम वो लोग नहीं हैं जो क्रिब करेंगे कि अरे ये हो गया वो हो गया, इसे कर लिया तो ठीक है, नहीं किया तो ठीक है, बिग डील. मुझे याद है एक बार मैं इसी जोश जोश में जुम्बा क्लास चला गया, जब आप करती हैं तो मेरे बस की तो है नहीं डांस करना वो. तो एक बार क्या हुआ, मैं पीछे खड़े होकर ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, so they are doing something else, I'm doing something completely different, right? And over a period of time I got so frustrated, I started doing this.
Oh yes, the whole thing. Enjoy yourself.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
Zumba is all about that. So that's one thing which I really like about Zumba thing is it's not a dance class as such, and you don't have to follow the choreo which
But
is.
जो करवाता है उसका आपकी तरह होना बहुत जरूरी है.
हाँ, it's just that कि you
हाँ,
have to pull the
हाँ,
whole
हाँ,
class
हाँ,
with
हाँ,
your
हाँ,
energy.
हाँ,
That's it. That's the whole thing.
Yes.
But उसमें भी you can bring in that element of fun. Doesn't have to be very strict as a class. So then it depends upon every instructor how you want to run your class. And for me, the whole concept is कि यार fitness को ना fun बनाओ और अपनी life का part बनाओ. तब ये hard नहीं लगेगा. बस ये जिस दिन ये समझ आ जाएगा.
फिट विद मीनल की बजाय मी स्टूडियो आप नाम बदल सकते हो, बाद में एक और शुरू कर सकते हो,
हाँ.
फन इन फिटनेस और समथिंग लाइक दैट,
है ना? That's a very beautiful
लाइक
thing.
फन इन
Hope
फ्यूनरल.
somebody would have told me this before.
हाँ, फन इन फ्यूनरल भी हो सकता है. दिस लिटरली FUN. I'm sorry. Cut.
Yeah, right. So fun and fitness. That was the whole concept.
हाँ,
कि,
because I believe you actually. Actually क्या होता है कि मैं एक बहुत ओपनली बोलता हूँ कि lot of times when somebody talks like you कि I was lucky. तो कुछ लोग बोलते हैं एक्टिंग कर रहा है ये बंदा, ये है ना. बट आई लिटरली बिलीव यू बिकॉज जिस तरह से आप हंसते हो ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है आपका हार्ट क्लियर हो जाता है. इट्स लाइक इट जस्ट
And you know,
that's how I am.
there
you know?
are days
हाँ,
when I am not laughing because I know I'm heavy with certain things. So it's not that कि मैं हमेशा ही ऐसे होती हूँ. So your
मुझे मेरे दिमाग
emotions.
में तो यही इमेज है
ये
आपकी.
हमेशा.
हाँ.
That's a good thing.
हाँ.
But I'm saying कि your emotions play at every level. So this is for sure that if you have a heavy heart and if you're keeping things holed up inside you, you cannot laugh out loud. You will not have that anahata open. To open up your heart chakra, that has to come. So there are days if I am struggling with some thoughts and stuff, there are days I'll not be able to laugh. I remember after I lost my father, it was pretty hard time for me. And people would make an effort to make me laugh, but it will not just come.
No, it's stupid to, because if you don't mourn properly, it remains there forever. That's very important to mourn actually. और दूसरी चीज ये है कि जब भी किसी के दादाजी की डेथ होती है तो ऐसा वो एक ओकेजन बन जाता है सेल्फी का. अभी रिसेंटली, आई विल नॉट टेक द नेम, बट समबडी टू हुम आई नो, उसके दादाजी की डेथ हो गई. आई सॉ देम पुटिंग पिक्चर्स, दादाजी वी मिस यू, चिट्ठी ना कोई संदेश, ना जाने कौन सा देश. और मेरे दिमाग में एक ही सवाल आया कि इफ दिस पर्सन लूजेस अ यंग पर्सन, अ हस्बैंड, अ ब्रदर, will they do the same thing or they'll just mourn? So if they're doing this, that means they're not mourning. They're actually enjoying it. They think that they're mourning, but they're not. And thank God for using the word anhad, because I have never heard people using such words. Thank you for doing that, because I don't see people even knowing about it.
So when I started my fitness journey, so the first thing I learned and the first course I did was on yoga. So I did that entire 100 hours, then the 300 hours, and then I went into power yoga, face yoga. You name a science and you name a course which I've not done, from Pilates to Reebok training, gym certification, Skill India certification. So, the course comes in the market and I'm like plyometrics training. There was a strong Zumba's juniors, Aqua Zumba. So, I'm somebody who wants to do everything which is there in the field of fitness, because I think मुझे तो पता होना ही चाहिए. So whether it is nutrition course or a dietitian course, or some person from Australia is coming and giving a ज्ञान for 3 days, I like, अच्छा मेरे को तो जाके सुन के आना है. It's not that the certification is important.
That's hard work, right? Don't you think this is hard work?
But that's my passion.
But जो लोग आके आपको बोलते हैं कि मैं जॉब छोड़ रहा हूँ या छोड़ रही हूँ to do what you are doing. But don't you think that it's like, जैसे कुछ लोग आते हैं ना कि दीदी मुझे आप जैसी बॉडी बनानी है 3 महीने में. 3 महीने में बिल्कुल आप जैसी बॉडी. What do you say to them?
Yeah, get started will be there, but not exactly 3 months. But yeah, it takes time. But I think
दीदी मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सच, थोड़ा सा वेट बढ़ गया and you see the weight. मुझे लगता है कि 3 महीने में हो जाएगा.
So yeah, I did a very beautiful course on meditation. So there we were taught all these chakra healing and chakras and stuff. And I think that's the real science. आपकी बॉडी की वो जो बुक्स में एनाटॉमी है वो तो है, वो तो समझ लीजिए, वो तो अच्छी है. बट ये वाली जो साइंस है ना, ये बहुत अमेजिंग है. दिस इज समथिंग विच हेल्प्स यू टू कनेक्ट विद योरसेल्फ. एंड आई नो दिस कि मेरा तो वो जब एयरपोर्ट पे भी 1 hour वेटिंग टाइम इंक्रीज हो जाता है ना, मेरे को तो फील आ जाते कि अरे यस आई विल गेट माई मोमेंट. आई जस्ट सिट देयर, पुट ऑन माई म्यूजिक, शूज उतार के मैं तो वही बैठ जाती हूँ आराम से. एंड आई हैव माई, आई डोंट टेक इट डजंट टेक लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट फॉर मी टू डिस्कनेक्ट विद एवरीथिंग and connect with myself. And I think that is something which really which is very powerful in itself, because then you're not seeking things from outside. You have your answers from here, you know things from here. So you are just in your own happy world, and they're not people or events or something external which will happen and which will shake your world. Nothing can do that.
वो सुना था नीम करोली बाबा ने, जैसे नीम करोली बाबा के बारे में कहा जाता था कि जो अनहद नाद होता है वो उनका बहुत बचपन में ही उन्होंने वो रीच कर लिया था लेवल. डिड यू हियर अबाउट नीम करोली बाबा?
बहुत बहुत
अच्छा. तो this guy from Harvard, he invented LSD for the first time.
Okay.
And Neem Karoli Baba was very famous in US. So he came all the way to India and he shown this medicine to him saying कि ये LSD है बाबा, अगर आप इसको खाएंगे तो साक्षात भगवान के दर्शन हो जाते हैं. He came to that ashram जो वहाँ पे है नैनीताल के आगे वाला. So बाबा ने बोला कौन सी दवाएं हैं? He took, उसने बोला कि बहुत सारी लेके गया था. बाबा ने ऐसे उठाया एक मुट्ठी और खा लिया. तो he was like कि डॉक्टर बुलाओ, he'll die now. Right? And Baba is normally talking to him and it's like, and he's like, damn, I mean, why is he not getting high? And he kept sitting there for hours and hours and waiting. Baba slept, got up in the morning, again did his routine normally. Then he went to him and he said, Baba, आपको असर क्यों नहीं हुआ? He said, because I didn't take it seriously. I didn't allow you to impact my brain. And I wanted you to learn a lesson कि not necessarily everything which you invent will impact us. नीम करौल बाबा की तो बहुत सारी
बहुत
कहानी
स्टोरीज एंड
है, बहुत
आई थिंक
सारी
एवरीवन हैज कम ओवर ये माइकल शूमैकर, ये शूमैकर नहीं सॉरी वो
कहानी। जूते बनाने वाला माइकल जूते बनाने वाला, बट एक्चुअली ये सच है। दैट्स हाउ दे कीप द नेम शूमेकर, दैट मींस उसके बाप दादा ने भी जूते बनाए होंगे,
इसलिए
हाँ। माइकल शूमेकर इज किसी ने बनाया जरूर होगा, जूते वाला ही होगा वो,
इसलिए
नॉट मोची बट सम जूते वाला। जैसे ही गोरा होता है वो फैंसी हो जाता है, इंडियन होता है मोची है तू।
वो आई थिंक वो द गाय द एप्पल गाय एंड माइक्रो ये सब आए ना,
he definitely and Mark Zuckerberg
हाँ
also
मार्क जुकरबर्ग, so they all came and they stayed in the ashram and
they actually came to enjoy marijuana but good they met with a guru and they realized करें हाँ ये भी है यार, ये भी बहुत पावरफुल है। They came to smoke marijuana and manala cream
high
and all.
quality
हाँ
high
हाँ
quality
हाँ हाँ। In reality that's what they come from for, right? उन्हें अचानक से कोई गुरु मिल जाए उनको, अरे ये क्या था?
oh we touched the new heights
बट एक चीज मैं और कहता हूँ, और हिंदुओं के अंदर एक खास बात पता है क्या होती है? दे क्वेश्चन एवरी डैम थिंग। सो हिंदूज में प्रॉफिट्स नहीं बन सकता, कोई बाबा बन सकता है। यू कैन बी ए बाबा विद 10,000 हिंदूज।
एक्चुअली आप हिंदू बन ही नहीं सकते,
हाँ,
बोर्न हिंदू,
यू आर बोर्न हिंदू।
मतलब आप
हाँ, जैसे आप बाबा, हाँ,
आप एक बात सोचो कि एक रिलीजन जो अपने आप में इतना कॉन्फिडेंट है, जिसमें कन्वर्जन है ही नहीं, दुनिया में कोई और एक ऐसा रिलीजन है ही नहीं जिसमें आप कन्वर्जन नहीं है। इनफैक्ट बुद्धिज्म, जैनिज्म आप बन जाओ, हिंदू में यू कांट बिकम अ हिंदू, यू आर बोर्न हिंदू। आप क्या अगर आपके जीन्स के अंदर हिंदुत्व नहीं, आई मीन टू से अगर आप हिंदू फैमिली से नहीं आ रहे हो तो आप हिंदू बन ही नहीं सकते, आप हिंदू हो। And I think half of the other population is also Hindu, sorry.
हाँ हाँ, पर आप सोच के देखो ना कि हमारे यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट की पॉसिबिलिटी इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि कोई प्रॉफिट बनेगा, दूसरा बंदा बोला चुप कर यार, बकवास बहुत कर रहा है, इसका जवाब दे, इसका जवाब दे, इसका। हमारे यहाँ बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर पॉसिबल है, कोई क्रिटिसाइज कर सकता है हिंदुत्व को, और पीपल विल एक्सेप्ट दैट। वी हैव चारवाका, डिड यू हियर अबाउट चारवाका? जावत जीवित सुखम जीवित ऋणम कृत्वा घृतम पीवित। जब तक जियो सुख से जियो, कर्जा लेके घी पियो। दैट्स चारवाक सिद्धांत, एंड वी कॉल हिम महर्षि चारवाक, वी रिस्पेक्ट हिम। उसका एक वो था ना, अजगर करे ना चाकरी, बंदर करे ना काम, दास मनु का कह गए सबके दाता राम, कि काम ही मत करो, घर बैठो ऐश करो, कर्जा ले लो, घी पी लो, एंजॉय योर लाइफ, डोंट डू एनीथिंग। तो चारवाक के सिद्धांत वी एक्सेप्टेड इट, वी डिडंट से कि चारवाक इज अ लूजर, हाउ डेयर यू कैन टीच अस समथिंग लाइक दिस। Just look at it. We have the acceptance. जहाँ हमें कॉन्सेप्ट इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, भी कहाँ ये गुरु ये बढ़िया है ये वाला।
आई थिंक इसीलिए ना जब हम किसी भी और रिलीजन का कुछ भी सुनते हैं, हमें कुछ वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर द लॉजिक, बिकॉज हम अपने रिलीजन में इतना लॉजिक ढूंढते रहते हैं। हम आज तक अपना ऋग्वेद पढ़ के समझने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं, बिकॉज दैट्स इट इज सो रिच एज अ कल्चर। मतलब हमें उसके
आपको पता है ऋग्वेद कहाँ लिखा गया था? हरियाणा में।
Oh really?
Yes.
That's new. I didn't know that.
चारों वेद हरियाणा से पंजाब और मेनली हरियाणा में लिखा गया है। हरियाणा इज द लैंड जो सुदास की लैंड है, क्योंकि आप जो ये घग्गर नदी है, घग्गर नदी को ही बहुत सारे रिसर्चर्स कहते हैं यही सरस्वती नदी है जो अब खत्म हो रही है धीरे धीरे। इट्स द घग्गर विच इज सरस्वती। आप सैटेलाइट से देखोगे तो घग्गर का जो विस्तार है, जो उसकी वो है चौड़ाई है, बहुत ज्यादा है वो, पर वो बहती बहुत छोटे में है क्योंकि वो इट्स डाइंग। पंचकुला से निकलती है, तो बेचारे पंचकुला में पहले पहाड़ थे, अब वो नहीं है, तो बहुत पतली सी बहती है। तो इसलिए लोग बोलते हैं ये सरस्वती नहीं हो सकती, पर जितने भी आप पढ़ेंगे तो घग्गर के किनारे ही वेदों की रचना की गई थी, जो कि सरस्वती है। तो इसलिए एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट है कि सारे हरियाणा में, भले वो बोल रहा ना ताऊ सुनियो जरा मेरी बात, वो है एक्चुअल ऋग्वेद के रचयिता ही।
That's good to know.
हाँ नहीं seriously, on a serious note, this is land of Sudasa, the guy who beat 10 different kings, और वो 10 किंग अलग अलग देशों में भाग गए, कोई ईरान चला गया, कोई कहीं चला गया। Do you know ईरान literally means Aryan?
हाँ, so that's why it's like ये आर्यन रेस आ रही है और ये सब हुआ, ये सब थीसिस पहले यही चल रही है।
हाँ, पहले तो हमें बहुत बेवकूफ बनाया गया, हमें बहुत, हमारी जनरेशन वो जनरेशन से 90s का वो दौर देखा है, चोली के पीछे क्या है, चुनरी के नीचे क्या है।
We've seen that part, we're seeing this part. So like I said, truly blessed, truly blessed as a generation. हमें we are getting good of both the worlds.
Absolutely.
है ना, हमने
But we are blessed because we saw an entire 1,000-year changing right in front of our eyes. कोई लकी नहीं है इतना कि जो मतलब जिसको पता हो
हाँ,
कि 2000 साल हो गए बेटा, अब हम 2001 में जा रहे हैं। तो बाकी लोगों को कहाँ मिला ये देखने को? अगर कोई 96 भी बॉर्न है 4 साल तो याद थोड़े रहेगा। हमने तो लिटरली देखा है।
हाँ, वो कैसेट घुमाने से लेकर
हाँ हाँ हाँ
इस वाले फेज तक आ
हाँ
जाना,
हाँ
मतलब
हाँ
we've
हाँ
seen it all. So मतलब
absolutely।
it's just stories for our kids कि हम ऐसे करते थे,
And by
वैसे।
the time we are getting old, AI will occupy everything and everybody will be dead. So we'll see that as well.
So this is very funny because I was out for one of the talk, and I have already done some workout sessions for the same corporate. So a lot of people have seen me online doing those sessions, and then they saw me real, and there were few ladies who came and who touched me. It's like, so you are not AI.
हाँ यार, ये मैंने सोचा नहीं।
They were
And the
like, "Oh,
kind
we
of the
actually
kind of
thought
face you have, AI के चेहरे ऐसे ही होते हैं। मैं सीरियसली सोच रहा हूँ।
So they said that we literally
Your
thought that the
typical face.
Achha, thank you so much. So they said
Let me touch her as well.
So they literally come and touch you. It's like, Meenal, we literally thought that you are an AI because every morning 6:30 you do a session for 1 hour, always without any delays, defaults, कुछ भी नहीं होता इस लड़की को, ये हमेशा वहाँ आ जाती है 1 hour के लिए और पूरे वर्कआउट कराती है उसी एनर्जी से। तो हमें लगता था यार ये तो AI है, ये some गोचा with the company. But then when we were told कि आप ही यहाँ टॉक देने आ रही हो, तो हम तो आए दूर से ये देखने की एक बार देख कर तो आई, एक चीज क्या थी, रियल थी, ये सब एक था।
अभी recently आप कहाँ गए थे? Recently I saw some of your videos when you were talking. What
So
is that
my
place?
last visit was it's all we started with Raipur. So we had a session in Raipur. From Raipur, I went to Jharkhand, and then I had a session in Jamshedpur. So I really love connecting with people from all these areas, and I pick my cities like this. I'll not pick Bangalore or Mumbai. I would rather pick up places like this because I feel that the connection I have there with the people and the connection I get to see there is very different from what you see in metros.
Which city do you like the most? Like कि हाँ यहाँ जाके मुझे बहुत मजा आया।
I think lately this Jamshedpur was very nice, very beautiful, very well planned.
Lakes हैं वहाँ पे?
क्या है?
Lakes वगैरह हैं?
Lakes नहीं, there is this one river which was very neat, very clean. Though it wasn't flowing, abhi I think it's summers, so the water level wasn't there. But I think that's because of Tatas, maybe because I think 90% of the population is working for Tatas there. So I really liked the vibe in Jamshedpur. Raipur was also very nice. I really enjoyed Raipur.
Raipur is also a corporate city.
है ना?
ये वही वाली जहाँ मेरे client वहाँ मैं खुश। Why do you like Raipur? It's a corporate city. Why do you like Jamshedpur? It's a bloody corporate city. What else would I want?
I just connected well with the people, so I like that. So yeah, this was a very good work trip.
Mumbai? No?
I didn't opt for a session in Mumbai.
No, but like, have you been to Mumbai? Do you like
Yeah, lot
Mumbai?
of times, lot of times. In fact, right after my MBA, we were given a training in IDBI for a month, and then we had to pick up our centers. And lot of people chose to stay in Mumbai, and I was the first one who was like, what could be the closest to Haryana? They're like Delhi. Like, please send me to Delhi. I can't stay away.
ये है वेदों के रचयिता।
So yeah, I opted for staying in Delhi.
I mean, I was raised in Mumbai, so
Wow,
I
good.
love Mumbai.
फिर तो दिल्ली और नोएडा तो बड़ा शांत है
हाँ,
मुंबई के हिसाब से।
Mumbai, I was raised in Mumbai, so last time I went to Mumbai like 2 months ago. तो I was going to Haji Ali. So this guy who came कि अरे ये साहब ये पहन लो and I spoke to him मराठी, क्या समझ रखा है? बोलता अरे बता दो ना यार, टाइम वेस्ट है, चल दूसरे को पकड़ते। Because they fool you, right? कि ये 1100 रुपए दे दो और ये दे दो वो दे दो। दो लाइक अरे किसको पकड़ लिया, दूसरे को पकड़ो। So have you beaten somebody? Like literally मतलब अब तो भाई हस्बैंड का बंद बताना, बाकी किसी को पीटा
हाँ,
आपने?
in school lot of boys.
अच्छा क्यों भाई, ऐसी क्या दुश्मनी
लड़ाई
लड़कों
होती
से?
थी तो मार देते थे।
लड़ाई होती क्यों थी पहले तो ये सवाल
जैसे
है ना।
बच्चों की लड़ाई होती है स्कूल्स में।
अभी मैं 50 लड़कियों से पूछूंगा, उसमें से 49 बोलेंगे हमारी कभी लड़ाई नहीं हुई लड़कों से। एंड यू टॉकिंग ऐसे बड़ा नॉर्मल था, लड़के बोल देते पीट देती, मैं उनको खत्म हो जाती बात।
हाँ, so I like it's ऐसे ही मतलब हाँ मारा होगा। मारा है, मतलब मुझे पता है.
होगा, है, okay. Okay, what was the saddest day of your life?
I think the day I got to know that मतलब I think एक दिन पहले बता दिया था हमें डॉक्टर ने that his liver is failing and yeah, so I think and actually we've put him on ventilator, so वो वेट नहीं करना चाह रहे थे. So by the time I could reach from my home to this hospital, they've already put in on ventilator and they told me कि अब तो उनको हम डाल चुके हैं, तो आप उनके पास भी जाके आप क्या फील करोगे. And I was like नहीं, I want to go and touch my father. So when I touched him on that last moments, he was I can't, I don't have, because it was a COVID time, so I was not allowed to travel. So my brother did all the last rites. So I've not seen any of the last rites of my father. So I don't have any image of him going. But I have that image of him. And my father is like 6 feet and very beautiful. So I've got my eyes from him. And he's like really stunning person as a personality also. So when I saw him there on the bed, he had this glowy cheeks, shining skin, and his body was very warm. Abhi, it was all warm. So I went and I hugged him. And this was hospital. And it was a COVID time. And doctor told me कि आप टच नहीं करेंगे, अच्छा आप अंदर जाके देख कर आ जाइए. And then suddenly they all come running. आप हग कर रहे हैं, आपको मना किया ये सब. And I was like, अरे बस I think that moment till few days I was, I didn't know where am I and what I'm doing. But yes, that was very difficult phase of my life. So, but then I still think that my sister couldn't even get to see that. She couldn't even see Papa in those last days, and I can still clearly feel that feel of touching him with his warm hands and his nice body. I just have that beautiful image in my mind till now, and I think all these souls which are really pure souls now, they themselves give you the energy to come out of it. And I don't know how it happened, but now I don't have anything else in my mind other than all those happy memories which come rushing to my mind the moment I think of Papa. And I have all those fun times and those beautiful memories only with me, and I don't have anything else with me right now. So that's how I healed out of it, but I still think that was the most difficult part of my life.
My father, last time I don't know if I told you, and he's suffering from 4th stage cancer. So doctors gave him 3 months and he's been alive for 12 months now. So I know कि मेरे बाप की क्या, मैंने डॉक्टर को बोल भी दिया था. मैंने कहा था don't throw times like this because it doesn't suit you. I told the doctor, he's a very big doctor. I said ऐसा टाइम मत फेंका करो कि 3 महीने हैं. You don't know him. ठीक है. So we did the PET scan and it came that it's very low right now, on the very lower side. So when you were telling this thing to me, I remember today when I was about to come to office. So I went to him and I slept on his chest. I was sleeping with him because he forgets, he's a little bit of Alzheimer is coming slowly and gradually. So he forgets. So my father and the girls I had in past and my wife, these are only people I have kissed on the lips. Because when he was really suffering through those days, and my father he's a man, a masculine man नहीं होते, कोई दर्द नहीं हो रहा है मुझे, and we know how much pain this man had. We know how much pain. He was on morphines. That means doctors knew how much pain he had. But he was like, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं हुआ, So I used to kiss him because to make him comfortable, and then one day he says कि आज से मैं कोई दवा नहीं खाऊंगा. शरीर को मनुष्य को एक समय आने पे त्याग देना चाहिए, तो आज से मैं कोई दवा नहीं खाऊंगा. So usually he listens to me everything which I ask him to do. So I asked him कि दवा खा लीजिए. He said नहीं खाऊंगा. I said please खा लीजिए. And I was standing there requesting him once, twice, thrice, 5 times, 10 times. बोल रहा हूँ नहीं खाऊंगा, जाओ यहाँ से. And I literally started crying with tears, and I'm crying and I'm crying and I'm crying. So he said लेके आओ दवा. Then I gave him the medicine. Then he took the medicine. And then while I was leaving, he said, इतने बड़े बच्चों को रोना नहीं चाहिए, अच्छा नहीं लगता.
So cute, so cute. I don't know. I just think कि पेरेंट्स कितनी बड़ी चीज भगवान ने दी ना हम लोगों को, है ना. देयर इज,
I have tears right now, so yeah.
है ना. सो आई थिंक वैसा वाला कनेक्शन.
एक हमारी क्लाइंट है कैथी, यूएस की, तो उसकी मॉम को अभी रिसेंटली शायद हार्ट अटैक आ रखा है. तो यूजुअली आई नेवर से दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड. ये स्टेटमेंट मैंने बहुत ही केयरफुली यूज करता हूँ कि इफ आई से आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट मीन्स आई अंडरस्टैंड. यूजुअली लोग बोल देते हैं आई अंडरस्टैंड. तो मैंने उसको बोला आई अंडरस्टैंड, तो उसने बोला आई नो. फिर मैंने उसको बोला कि आई एम सेइंग आई अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज माई मॉम रिसेंटली हैड हार्ट अटैक, सो आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू गोइंग थ्रू. क्योंकि स्टेंट डले हैं मम्मी को भी, तो मैं समझ सकता. बोल रही हाँ मेरी मम्मी को भी 4 स्टेंट डालने की बात हो रही है, और ये है और वो है, बहुत परेशान हूँ मैं. तो पहली बार मैं उस क्लाइंट से इमोशनली कनेक्ट हुआ हूँ. जो अदरवाइज क्या है, वो काम कर दो पैसे दे दे, काम कर दो पैसे दे दे. और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई चैनल हैज़ 13-14,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स, राइट. Meenal is a big shot. Believe me when I say this, right? So, can I give her the number of views which she's looking forward to? No. But can I talk to her in a way wherein she thinks कि नहीं, मज़ा बहुत आया, बहुत बड़ा चैनल नहीं था, but I enjoyed talking to the person. It was beautiful. And that is one thing which I always keep in my mind whenever I meet with any guest. चाहे वो कोई भी गेस्ट हो, ठीक है, चाहे वो बाहर का जो चाय बेचता है मुकेश हो, उसके साथ बैठूंगा तभी मैं ऐसी कोशिश करता हूँ कि फील्स इट, और इट्स यू.
No. I think that's must be pulling people to come and do these podcasts with you. They feel
touch wood,
comfortable.
yeah, touch wood, yeah. I
And
try
then
my
they
best.
feel
Yeah.
nice to talk about. And I think, I don't know,
मुझे
people.
बहुत एनर्जी मिली यार आपसे, मतलब बहुत ही गजब है ये.
Thank you.
बिलीव मी, आई मीन कैसे समझाऊं आपको, जो वो चीज़ जो आपने बोली ना कि हमारी जनरेशन को पता है कि हमने कितनी मेहनत करी है, तो मुझे वो याद आ गया 15-15 घंटे कॉल सेंटर में काम करना कि
And you know, हमें ना वो मेहनत तंग नहीं करती थी. I don't know. I tell this to Abhi, and I teach this in my talks to people, because लोगों को लिए जो जर्नीज होती है ना बड़ी डिफिकल्ट होती है. तो I tell them कि जब तक आप इस चीज़ को एंजॉय नहीं करोगे ना, it is actually your life passing by. It will not happen कि आज आप 55 पे 85 पे और आज आपने weight loss journey start की. So that one day when you will become 60 kg is not when you're gonna get happy. That every day and every moment that you're gonna struggle with it. And it's gonna be a real struggle, because there will be days you will be, your weight will keep going up without you knowing, like मैं तो कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It's just your body adaptability to maybe few things which you don't understand. But अगर आप उस प्रोसेस को एंजॉय कर रहे होगे ना, आप वहां पहुंच जाओगे सूनर और लेटर. बट देन यू हैव द यू विल हैव दैट ग्रेस टू से दैट भाई मैंने तो अपनी जिंदगी मस्त जी, आई एंजॉयड द प्रोसेस, आई लिव्ड माई लाइफ. वो आर यू एबल टू से इट? इफ यू नॉट एबल टू से इट, देन चेंज right now, because there must be things which are not going the right way. हर किसी का अपना स्ट्रगल है, वो तो आपको करना ही है. Now how you take it up is how your life gonna be. तो वो अगर आप उसको बहुत मस्ती से खुशी से मान लो और जी लो तो बहुत बढ़िया है. नहीं तो बहुत लोग कंप्लेन के साथ भी जी रहे.
श्री 1008 हमारे
People, they're all kind of people, but yeah, there is a way in which you can actually enjoy those things which come and happen. And maybe you said it very right that I don't shy away ever to talk about my father, because वो चीजें ना अभी तक मेरे अंदर alive है. I know I've mourned a lot about that, but still it's alive. So मेरे से कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन करने बैठता है तो किसी ना किसी कॉन्वर्सेशन में माई फादर हैज टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज इट्स सो मच अलाइव इन मी. एंड आई ऑलवेज से दिस टू माई सिस्टर कि मैंने तो पापा को जाते हुए देखा ही नहीं यार, मेरे को तो आई स्टिल फील हिम अलाइव. एंड देयर सो मेनी टाइम्स कि मैं ऐसे बैठी होती हूँ ना, तो मैं सोच लेती हूँ अभी पापा से बात करके आती हूँ, समथिंग लाइक दैट हैपेंस. एंड देन आई से अच्छा, इट्स नॉट देयर, ही इज नॉट देयर एनीमोर. बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि ये जो पूरी प्रोसेस है ना, आप इस प्रोसेस को इतनी अमेजिंगली एंजॉय करते हुए जी सकते हो. एंड इट इज़ नॉट गोना बी अ वेरी हैप्पी प्रोसेस, इट्स नॉट गोना बी हंकी डोरी प्रोसेस. बट जब आप इसको बहुत दिल से मेहनत कर रहे होगे ना, वो 15 घंटे की, तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा होगा. एंड आई एम टीचिंग द वेरी थिंग टू माई डॉटर नाउ डेज, बिकॉज वो 10th के लिए पढ़ाई कर रही है एंड वो लंबे लंबे टाइम्स के लिए बैठती है स्ट्रेट टेबल से और हिलती नहीं है. सो आई टोल्ड हर कि ये चीज़ ना, इट विल मेक यू शाइन फ्रॉम इनसाइड. क्योंकि सिर्फ ये हार्ड वर्क ही आपको शाइन करवा सकता है। वो बाहर की चीजें ना वो आपको पॉलिश नहीं कर सकती। दे विल नॉट गिव यू द रियल वर्थ, दे विल नॉट गिव यू प्राइड इन योरसेल्फ। ये एफर्ट से तो आपको अंदर से वो मिलेगा। पुट इन दीज एफर्ट्स, डोंट शाई अवे फ्रॉम पुटिंग इन द एफर्ट्स।
फादर्स के साथ ये भी है कि fathers don't get a lot of time with their daughters because of, you know, over a period of time they grow up, you know, and are the biggest enemy of a father. They're biggest enemy of a father. So क्या होता है कि dads, you know, this थोड़ी डिस्टेंस आ जाती है। तो मेरी बेटी,
my father was very cool, like
हाँ हाँ मेरी बेटी
I
भी
think
है।
till last day we were like, oh पापा
नहीं नहीं वो
hugging.
तो ठीक है, बट
हाँ,
मैं
but
कह रहा हूँ कि जैसे
वो
मेरी बेटी को
बच्चे
मैं
खुद
नहलाता हूँ अभी
conscious
ना,
है, हाँ।
अभी तो मैं नहला रहा हूँ उसको,
फिर you have to
6 साल
stop.
की है तो मैं नहला रहा हूँ उसको, यू नो, मैं नहलाता हूँ उसको एंड शी लव्स इट। फिर गले लगेगी जोर से, फिर कपड़े पहनाना एंड ऑल दैट, एंड आई मेक श्योर दैट आई डू इट
Because you know it's
because
gonna
I
run
will
out
not do
very
it.
no.
हाँ हाँ, तो अभी मैं इसलिए करता रहता हूँ कि मुझे जैसे once she's done with potty she'll papa and I'll do, and you know, and I'll do all that thing because over a period of time वो बंद हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
तो
बिल्कुल
इसलिए मैं अभी मिस नहीं करता हूँ, क्योंकि बाद में फिर क्रिब करने की
that is
बजाय
there.
है।
Those
हाँ
physical
हाँ
changes happens very
हाँ
soon,
हाँ
and then
हाँ हाँ,
you know the आपका वो intimacy वाला एंगल
जी
थोड़ा
जी
सा
जी
वो
जी
हट
जी
जाता है।
हाँ
बट आई
वो
थिंक a lot of this will define in your talks to her, so you know always keep that open angle. And as far as I know you by now, I know this, that you know you're gonna be the biggest best friend of your daughters. So that's the whole idea actually.
तो मुझे ऐसा जैसे उसने उसके मुंह से निकला पापा ना, तो अगर मेरे क्लाइंट भी है तो आई से कि जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ मोमेंट एंड आई पुट हिम ऑन म्यूट एंड आई से बताओ क्या हुआ, बिकॉज शी डजंट टॉक मच। तो अगर वो पापा बोल रही है मतलब उसने कुछ सोचा है डिटेल में, डीप में सोच रही है, या उसके दिमाग अभी भी कुछ आया है, वो कुछ बताना चाह रही है, तो वो सब रोक दो काम, पहले उसकी सुन लो। कुछ छोटी सी बात करनी है, ज्यादा बिग डील नहीं बोलनी। पापा मुझे ना वो लड़का मुझे ये बोल रहा था, अच्छा ठीक है तुम ना उसको ये बोल देना, बस इतनी सी बात है। सो आई जस्ट स्टॉप एवरीथिंग, आई जस्ट मेक श्योर कि सुन लो इसकी, उसके बाद बाकी काम होंगे। तो दैट आई एफर्ट डाल के करता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि पता है ना इनमें भी एफर्ट लगता है। इट्स वेरी दे दो 1 मिनट अभी बात कर रहा हूँ क्लाइंट से, इट्स वेरी इजी टू से दैट, बट इट्स वेरी टफ टू पुट द क्लाइंट ऑन होल्ड। और क्लाइंट कभी बुरा नहीं मानता, उसको वापस जाके बोलो इट वाज माय डॉटर मैन, आई मीन शी वाज जस्ट शी वांटेड टू से समथिंग, ओह दैट्स सो स्वीट, यू नो, द क्लाइंट इज आल्सो विद यू।
So this is a very important part actually. Or you know people who are not parents as of now, they'll not understand. So
दे नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि बेटे ने पॉटी कर दी तो खुश हो रहे हैं पेरेंट्स। थैंक गॉड, माय गॉड, 10 घंटे से पॉटी नहीं कर रहा था, पता है इसने।
and
दे
then you
नॉट
know,
गेट इट।
and you know they'll not get that you can actually leave a job to just listen to those stories कि यार मेरी ना वो सारी stories मिस हो जाती है स्कूल से आ रही वाली। So I want to be there to listen to those stories कि हुआ क्या, because कितना आई थिंक आजकल तो अभी वो 10th का खत्म करके 11th 12th में कुछ कोचिंग वोचिंग करेगी, 12th के बाद शी विल बी आउट, देन शी इज नॉट कमिंग एंड स्टेइंग इन अ होम लाइक द वे वी आर राइट नाउ, दैट होल थिंग विल चेंज, है ना। सो जस्ट फ्यू मोर इयर्स टू ट्रेजर,
मे बी 2-3 years, maybe
Yes,
2-3 years
yes.
with her। छोटी वाले के तो भी है टाइम।
हाँ
तो
मतलब
छोटी
my
वाली 2
son is
साल
also
की है।
12, so
हाँ,
yeah इसके साथ मतलब
हाँ, you will have the same issues with your son. Yeah, I know. हाँ. You'll have similar issues with him.
so yes, they're 14 and 12, so and this is very funny actually, and Mayank and I was like अरे यार ये बड़ी जल्दी बड़े हो गए, ये भाग गए यार, 1-2 और करने चाहिए थे तो बहुत जल्दी निकल जाएंगे बाहर, you know, but
No, you should, I mean, obviously you can have, people should have more kids.
but
Believe me, they should have more kids. And the people who are financially as good as you are, like, or I am, for example, I will have 2 more kids. Because
Yeah,
you know,
but
as a man, that's what your biggest job is, to pass on your genes to the world, right? That's your biggest job.
but yeah, I just feel कि फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अरे वो भी बड़े ही हो जाएंगे, so let's just it be
नहीं, इसलिए ज्यादा, जैसे अभी वो है, व्हाट्स हिज नेम यार, दैट फुटबॉलर, द बिगेस्ट फुटबॉलर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, रोनाल्डो, ही हैज 4-5 kids with his girlfriend, for crying out loud.
हाँ, और वो
बीवी
क्या
भी नहीं है।
ट्रेन कर रहा है उनको,
हाँ।
you've seen how
हाँ,
they
बीवी तक नहीं है, मतलब गर्लफ्रेंड से 4-5 बच्चे पैदा कर लिए उसने, बताओ गर्लफ्रेंड कितनी महान है उसकी। Could you tell the people who are watching you right now about journey and the end result which you are right now in maybe 2 minutes?
Okay. So I think journey was all like I explained. I'm from a very middle class background, so I think I had those very strong values about you know doing and putting in the effort and not really holding on to the attachments and relationship with that results. And I think that one point also we can talk about Hindus. They have so much patience. I don't know how they get it, but that they are so patient in themselves कि अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, ये भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा. You know that patience is a great thing, and I think we all just get it from somewhere. And yeah, I think I had a lot of patience, and I wasn't in a hurry anywhere. And I got good grades. Then college happened, then job happened, and then I took a detour also.
You had some guy जिसे शादी नहीं और अभी तक उसका मलाल है, ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं, in fact Mayank was the first person I saw, and I was first person Mayank saw. So it was, and but this story is very funny because my father got me out of the office saying कि चल lunch करने चलते हैं, and then looking at me he said सूट डालेगी क्या? सूट डाल लेते हैं, किसी से मिलवाना भी है. मैं कहा हाँ ठीक है. Generally he makes me meet a lot of his friends, and I thought कि ये थोड़े से old type के होंगे, तो that's why he wants me to wear a suit. We bought a suit. I wore a suit.
Your husband still looks old in front of you, but we'll cut it.
So we wore a suit. I wore a suit, and then we went out and we saw each other, and then I was like, Papa? He's like, मैं कहा really this was it, तो बता ही देते. He's like, मुझे लगा तू देख ही लेगी. I think this was.
Yeah, seriously, these stories are too good to be true. This lady is just पका रही है कहानी है. She's saying college मेरा कोई boyfriend नहीं था, बस मैंने बस देखा और मुझे.
IP college. Girlfriend. and so Mayank के लिए भी same है actually. उसने भी कोई लड़की नहीं देखी थी, उसने भी मुझे पहला देखा था.
He's lying. I'm telling you, he's lying. I can like maybe give you on a stamp paper of 5,000 rupees. He's lying. Upfront, he's lying.
नहीं, I know मम्मी पापा सबने बताया.
He's a man. I know men. He's lying.
Okay, so yeah, but I think Mayank was the
Just
first.
believe it. That's fine with me.
But when I met Mayank and I met Mummy and Papa here, the Pathak Mummy Papa, I realized that this family is a little more open in comparison to the family I was in. So I was very happy to move in. Like I was like, oh yes, let's jump in, let's get married. Yeah, so I think we saw each other sometime in July. So the Roka happened in August, and we got married in the next year, Jan. So yeah, that's how it was. And after that, I was pretty young. I was 24. People are still understanding their education and career by the time. And Mayank was also 26. So that's how we got married. And I think we grew up together.
Yeah.
It was such a beautiful journey in itself. And a lot of people who said कि अभी तो तेरा career start हुआ है, तो शादी कर रही है, it's gonna be, But I don't know. I think it just depends upon the partner you are getting with. But I think I flourished in my career a lot because of the kind of a support Mayank kept on giving me, and a lot because he had that entrepreneurial कीड़ा, और वो जो मेरे अंदर वो कीड़ा छोड़ता रहता था ना हमेशा, वो somehow after those 13 years of corporate career, I was like, अच्छा चलो, let's give it, let's jump in the bandwagon. But yeah, I think I grew up. As much as I grew up there, I उतना ही अब almost उतने साल में अब इस family में भी रह चुकी हूँ, इधर रह चुकी हूँ, तो हाँ. So I think I thoroughly enjoyed both the parts of my life, and but I've been to lot more places with my career as a fitness influencer, or as a wellness and a health being, well-being in person, and it just keep changing, it just keep evolving, and that's how I actually want it to be, because as a person, when you're growing, you want your role to change and role to grow, and that's how it's been happening. And abhi bhi I have something else on my mind, and I just keep thinking अच्छा ये ऐसे हो जाना चाहिए, and I start putting in the efforts, and I don't know, it just happens then. So yes, that's
we should change your name to Happiness. And I'm not even joking right now. I'm just telling you what I felt during this conversation which I had with you. We should change your name to Happiness or Bliss or something like that.
So you know what my father used to do? A lot of people would ask me कि अरे आप बचपन से ऐसे होते, आपको किसी ने कभी कुछ कहा नहीं? Because आपको अगर बचपन से कोई टोक दे या बोल दे, तो you can't just grow up like that. my father would be the kind of a person that he'll has a gathering in his बाहर, जैसे आपने देखा villages में कैसे होता है, वो स्क्वायर होता है ना पूरा, पर उसमें he'll have a huge gathering and he's like, रुको अभी मैं ना मीनू को बुलाता हूँ, तो मैं उसकी हंसी सुना रहा, he'll call me in front of like a whole bunch of guests and he's like, बेटा जरा हंस के दिखाना. थॉट कि इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग.
हाँ
मेरे पापा मुझे ना सबके आगे आके बुला के करवाते हैं, तो मस्ट बी अ गुड थिंग.
बट थैंक गॉड कि ससुराल वालों ने भी नहीं टोका कि बेटा थोड़ा कंट्रोल करना. पिछले गेस्ट डर गए थे, सपने में आई थी तू उनके, उन्होंने बहुत डर के रात में उठ जाते हैं.
I think my mother-in-law is also one happy soul. You somehow, I'm sure things will grow, and whenever you are at my place next, you have to listen to her. She sings very well. She's a classical singer.
अच्छा जी.
In fact, she is a MA in classical singing.
Wow.
From Lucknow she is, and she's again a super happy soul. So if I'm busy with all these stuff, my mother-in-law is always busy with her gardening thing. She's singing, and so that's what I'm saying कि हमारे घर का environment ऐसा है कि हमारे बच्चों को ऐसा लगता है यार क्या क्या कर ले हम, मतलब कुछ करना है. So I'm just saying कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे they are close to 70s, they're just all the time working, all the time doing something. So I
But happiness का शायद इससे भी connection है that she's working continuously. Otherwise she'll not be happy.
so
अगर वो गार्डनिंग ना करें, गाना ना गाएं, तो उनको नहीं, she'll not be happy.
and she's a beautiful singer. मतलब उनके गाने में इतनी क्या कहना चाहिए, मतलब अच्छा, obviously आप समझ रहे हो उनकी आवाज़ तो बहुत अच्छी है, but उनके गाने में ऐसे सच्चाई सी है. वो भगवान के जब भजन गाती है ना, तो you will have those tears flowing like this. ऐसे आप बैठो और it just flows. ऐसी है, ऐसा गाती है वो, इतनी.
मेरे डैड रामायण की चौपाइयाँ 6 तरीके से सुना देंगे आपको, सेम चौपाई. धीरज धर्म मित्र और नारी, आफत काल परख्यो चारी. धीरज धर्म मित्र अरु नारी, आफत काल परखियो चारी. So he'll sing in a different way. जब वो सुंदरकांड का पाठ करते हैं, उत्तरकांड का, जब सीता माता चली जाती हैं छोड़ के, तो जहाँ भी वो पाठ करते हैं वहाँ पे लोग रोने लग जाते थे, क्योंकि वो इस तरह से उसको गाते थे. Thank you so much for spreading so much happiness, मीनल जी. We loved talking to you. तो आप मिल चुके हैं मीनल जी से. अब आप अपने कमेंट करके हमें बताइए कि आपको ये पॉडकास्ट कैसा लगा. साथ ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियोस को लाइक करें और बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं.